Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Quickworks YouTube channel where we break down the coolest tech trends just for you. Today, we're diving into the essential features every on-demand app needs to succeed. So, if you're ready to build the next big thing, stick around because we've got a power-packed episode coming up. Let's kick things off with the first must-have feature, user profile. Imagine downloading an app and having to input your details every single time you use it. Annoying, right? With user profiles, your customers can save their preferences, track their orders, and personalize the experience. It's like having a VIP pass to your app. User profiles also allow you to gather valuable data, which means you can tailor your services even better. Remember, a happy customer is a loyal customer. Next up, let's talk about push notifications. Now, I know what you're thinking, ugh, not more notifications. But hear me out. Push notifications are your direct line to your users. They keep your audience engaged with updates on new features, special offers, and important alerts. Imagine you're running a food delivery app. Sending a timely notification about a discount on their favorite pizza can turn a browsing user into a paying customer. That's the magic of push notifications. Moving on to the third essential feature, i.e. secure payments. Trust me, this one's a deal breaker. Your app needs to offer secure and seamless payment options to build trust and ensure user convenience. Integrate multiple payment methods like credit cards, digital wallets, and even cash on delivery if applicable. Implementing robust encryption protocols and ensuring compliance with security standards like PCI DSS is crucial. After all, protecting your customers' financial data is non-negotiable. Now, let's get into some bonus features that can set your app apart from the competition. First, is real-time tracking. Whether it's a ride-sharing app or a delivery service, users love knowing where their service is and when it will arrive. It's all about transparency and reliability. Next, integrate a rating and review system. This not only helps you get valuable feedback but also builds a community of trust. Users rely on each other's experiences to make informed decisions. And don't forget about customer support. Offering 24/7 chat support or an in-app help center can drastically improve user satisfaction. When users feel supported, they're more likely to stick around. Lastly, make sure your app has a sleek, user-friendly interface. A well-designed app is intuitive and easy to navigate, keeping users engaged and coming back for more. To wrap it up, the essential features for any successful on-demand app are user profiles, push notifications, and secure payments. Sprinkle in some real-time tracking, ratings and reviews, stellar customer support, and a killer UI, and you're on your way to app greatness. Thanks for tuning in, Quickworkers. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and trends. And hey, if you're working on your on-demand app, drop us a comment below, we'd love to hear about it. Until next time, keep innovating and stay awesome.